Good morning, everyone. This is a real quick update to my video I posted on the 30th of June using the seed template, replacing my purple hull peas rather. As you can see, a lot of them have come up, so I'm happy about that. Looks like I got one that has been eaten by something, but a lot of them have come up and they're doing pretty well. I'll put a link up top to the video that I'm referring to, but hopefully they'll continue to come and grow and we'll get a nice harvest. These are the purple hull peas that I spoke of.